Kaya ko miat kentai watip kam ka first Miss Jaiñtia Queen wa penman da ka klik yong riang social and cultural club juai ha ka khat artrik uni ubanai ha district library auditorium mentong ka Aishwariya Malang da man ko ka job ha klik tam de wa yo asap ya kapan sengat Miss Jaiñtia Queen na perdi ki khat lingut ki wawan chimbenta ka Aishwariya Malang na jrong inam Miss Jaiñtia Queen da yo ra ka le hadu literally ki subtitle wa kentup ya ka Miss Popular ka Miss Talented wa ka Miss Photogenic ka wa yo first runner up to ka Dora Chua daw ka wa yo ora le ya ka subtitle Miss Personality ka wa ka Epida Mbon ka wa yo ra ye nam second runner up da yo ka le ye nam Smiling Queen kiwi wan ka subtitle kam inam Miss Perfecten da yo da ka Isa de la Bare Best in Ramwork da yo da ka Faustin Roy Kam ka wa ye nam Fashion Icon da yo da ka Rimika Dakhar Chua usdang ya kani ka Yakob da em kaya lang tabian wawai ya kani karansan da Paul Lyngdoh Menteri Kechnat Arts and Culture Tourism wa kiwi uwadawan sakhi kam ukong san hey em lang upas mundakar MDC ke JHADC unehe mayateng kan wa kiwi de Uhe chenong ka klik yong riang uke ledia hawa kelam ya khamat khanau wa ipan man ya kani karansan Yakob to yopen mi poisa he ya to ichna ya ka community hall ka wadang bon idawa khanang wa kani ka hall ki khon ka chenong uyo ki uye chemlang wa yopen dap bon ki kam ne benta ibha imiat ki khon khanro khulut ka chenong wa ki imlang sa lang kamjo Nei liang Paul Lyngdoh hawa ya ro ya kani ka luti wa da chim ka klik yong riang pachat ule ki kentin e mensin ya ki khulut wa chim benta dei wa ong imiat dorman iwa tam bar yesni do iwa mut hawa chimbenta hakam gani ka Yakob to ukunmu wa imiat dor mut du ye iwa yi uchanna chalai tang wa iyumut wa sakhiat hi yong imiat to iwa wan napo wa iwa ne erta kat wa ubru ne ka brudang imki kat wa imiat dor wa chalai wan ne I kat kam irta hawa em ye imiat dor wa wan napo yo channa ki lengba ki kam ki rukom kelam irukom man bru wa iwa melin dong Paul Lyngdoh Hagani kasi Paul Lyngdoh ada yarap haro ulelak tangka chaka klik yong riang social and cultural club juai.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The question is, I believe this platform can bring a huge change for the betterment of the future, and I believe that in creating awareness regarding pageantry is the utmost important source and enhancing situation in such a way that brings for the betterment and the change for the betterment of the society and for the betterment of the future in the future generation. And I believe that this platform can create a positive impact in the world. Thank you so much.
I believe the biggest gift parents can give their children is the foundation of unconditional love and unwavering support. When children know they are loved and supported, they grow up with confidence, self-worth, and the courage to pursue their dreams no matter the challenges they face. And also at the same time, for children to be able to see parents living in goodness and they interact with each other in the kind, loving, and beautiful way. This gift of love instills value and character that guides them throughout their life. To younger parents, my advice would be to cherish every moment with your children and lead by example. Be present, listen, and show them through your actions how to be kind, resilient, and authentic. Remember, the way you love and guide them today will shape the adult they become tomorrow. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, actually, from my side, I feel that the policy maker or the lawmaker, they already did a great job to secure or to set a rules or a law to protect and to save women and children. As a lawyer and as a woman, I want to educate each and every individual to know how to treat women with respect and love, and to know how to treat a child as an angel, not an object. So from my side, I feel that the policy maker, they only did the needful and the rest lies in our hand. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the question, and a very good evening to each and everyone present here tonight, especially to our judges. And my answer to the question is, well, I believe we can encourage more women to take the lead by promoting and by breaking societal barriers, and also by promoting equality in both gender in such a way that in education as well as in the field of workspace. As a woman, I would like to see the changes in the future that not only gender can define leadership, but also in the strength of a person as well as visual as well as capability of the person. I believe women alongside with men can make a better future as well as in a very good years of life. Thank you so much.
It is rightly said that a single mother has a backbone of steel and a heart of gold. My mother is a single mother who has shown me unconditional love and support without ever expecting anything in return. I celebrate single mothers everywhere by showing them my love, support, respect, and by honoring them because they chose their children regardless of all the pain and hardships that they went through. And they showed the society, or the world rather, what a true superhero looks like. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I choose social work as my profession because of my deep belief in the power of empathy, compassion, and the connection with the people. Growing up, I witnessed firsthand the challenges and the struggle faced by the marginalized people. People often felt unheard and unseen. So with this experience, my desire grew to be a part of this solution. to create an awareness on people that no matter who we are, we should embrace of what we have. And I want to choose this platform because of my deep desire to empower individuals, to help them find their strength, and most importantly, to create a society where everyone can have a chance to fill life with integrity and respect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I would like to share with young girls about the importance of education, that your education is your superpower. Your voice matters. Speak up and stand out. Embrace your uniqueness. You are strong, resilient, and deserving of every opportunity. And always believe in yourself, no matter what. If you are rich or poor, your background doesn't define you. Thank you so much.
Another news on our platform.
Well, recently, a very heartening thing happened in our country. One of our sisters being raped and killed, but yet we celebrate Independence Day. And I believe it is not right to celebrate Independence Day unless and until we feel safe in our own country. So that's why I believe self-defense is very important to teach, not only for women but also men, which require holistic approach. This includes empowerment-based training, education on equality and healthy relationship. However, community engagement and policy advocacy are very crucial. By working together with the organization like National Domestic Violence Hotline and RNINM, we can empower women and men and fight towards to stop violence. And I would love to request each and every one of you, because I believe self-defense can start from home. You should protect your own sister, mother, brother and father. And at the end, you can also protect your own girlfriend and boyfriend. Thank you so much. Mental health is as important as physical health, yet it often gets overlooked. However, I would use my title to promote mental health awareness in Jaiñtia community with love and care, encouraging open discussion, creating safe space for sharing experience and connecting individuals to essential resources. Together, we can foster a supportive environment where everyone feels safe and valued and empowered to prioritize their well-being. Those who believe in God, they also can pray in order to avoid any type of health infection. By raising my voice in this party platform, I would break silence around mental health. Let's shatter stigma, promote safe care, encourage open conversation, because mental health matters. Thank you so much.
Good evening once again, and thank you judges for choosing me as a top 6. So my answer is, with compassion and empathy, I would like to promote mental health as an awareness with my title, to listen, to be able to be the voice of a person who faces difficulties within herself or himself. I want to listen, to share my thoughts and my understanding, and also to be able to look deep into the situation of a person, because I myself, I know and I can feel how it can be so hard to be in that situation. So I want to be the voice through this platform, because together we can overcome anything in life. And I take changes in our issue, and as more important of our mental health as our physical health. Let's join hands together and understand one another. Through our voice and action need to be done, as we know that mental health is very important. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again. Thank you for the question. Winning the title doesn't mean that I only win a crown or gain fame from it. Instead, it burdened me a responsibility that I like to carry. I'm a person who always concentrate on the positive side. As a title holder, I would like to create an awareness program from time to time on different schools and colleges and in society and community as well, to always stay positive and remember that poverty and solitude doesn't define your fate and struggles doesn't define you. We live a life of unpredictable, life simply without rehearsal, so laugh, sing, dance, enjoy life to the fullest before the curtain closes down and the play ends with no applause. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the question and to all of you for being patient. My answer is, it is rightly said that the strongest people are those who win battles we know nothing about. I would use my title to encourage the youths of my community to speak up and ask for help. Along with healthcare workers, I would create awareness programs to remove the stigma surrounding mental health so that the youth of the Jaiñtia community can feel seen, heard and valued. I would tell them that speaking up doesn't make them weak, but it shows their strength. I would encourage and listen without judgment so that a community with many mental health problems can be a community with over 1 million solutions. Thank you.
7.
Thank you so much for a beautiful question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again. As a proud representative of Jaiñtia community, I would promote mental health awareness and support the Jaiñtia community by these initiatives: mental health workshops, social media campaign, school mental health education. As we all know, mental health is a huge concern in today's generation. I believe in the quote that says, "The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one path over another."
Very good evening to all the beautiful souls and to the beautiful judges present here tonight. My answer to the question is, as a title holder, I will lead with empathy, focusing on destigmatizing mental health and fostering open conversations about emotional well-being in the Jaiñtia community. Mental health struggles are often shrouded in silence, leading to feeling of isolation and a lack of access to help. My goal would be to create a culture where individuals, especially young people, feel safe to express their challenges and where mental health is seen as an integral part of overall well-being. I would launch awareness campaigns, partnering with schools and churches, and educating youths and families about mental health. I would collaborate with local health services in improving access to affordable professional help. By combining these core efforts, I believe we could build a resilient, supportive community where mental health is valued and nurtured. Thank you.
To call upon the winner of Miss Jaiñtia Queen 2024 first edition goes to contestant number Aishwariya Malang. Ladies and gentlemen, the Miss and the winner of Miss